Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send BUSD from Binance to your Trust wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know BUSD is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for secure and low volatility transfers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Trust Wallet. If you don't, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store and create an account. It's free and user-friendly. Also, ensure your Binance account is verified and funded with BUSD. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BUSD token. This is usually under the Tokens or Wallets section. Tap on BUSD to view your wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check to avoid any mistakes. Remember, sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Next, head over to the Binance website or app. Log in to your account and go to the Wallet section. Find your BUSD balance, then click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the asset, in this case, BUSD. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient address field. Now, enter the amount of BUSD you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Binance typically charges a small fee, so check the minimum withdrawal amount to ensure your transfer goes through. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll need to complete any two-factor authentication steps for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can track the transaction on the blockchain using tools like BSC Scan, since BUSD runs on the BNB Smart Chain. Once it's done, open your Trust Wallet again, and voila, your BUSD should appear in your wallet. Always verify the transaction details to make sure everything matches. There you have it, folks. Sending BUSD from Binance to Trust Wallet is quick and easy when you follow these steps. Just remember to prioritize security, like using strong passwords and enabling 2FA. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.